hair has completely transformed over the last 3 years. One of the reasons is also because I've been using the Olaplex system. I personally love Olaplex, the shampoo and conditioner I use. It has transformed the damage of my hair, how it looks and feels. I have had other people try and not love it. There is other products that are similar to Olaplex that are kind of a different version of it, and people absolutely love. One of them I think is Purina or something. I don't know, what is it called? I'll link it here. My mom actually switched to one of the other brands, and there's a couple others that are competing. But I truly love Olaplex for a shampoo and conditioner, and I wash my hair maybe once a week max. So. Alright, so every time I do my hair every single day, you should be adding something to your ends, anything to your hair to add hydration, because every day you're going to be losing hydration, even when you're not washing it. So, what I use every single day is the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother and the Olaplex Bonding Oil. The best way to actually use these is to mix them together. So what I do is I take a pump of the Olaplex Bond Smoother. I haven't done this today, so I'm just going to show you guys. You don't need a ton of this stuff, like that much. You see how much hair I have. And then the oil is going to depend on how thick your hair is. I take 2 dabs. If my hair is freshly washed, I do 3. Most people only need 1. Mix those together. I have a mirror over here, by the way, and I'm going to just like apply it to like mostly my ends and then a little bit on the top, because it is a smoother. It's supposed to help with the flyaways, the texture, the shininess. I don't know how else to explain that. And you should be just adding hydration daily, and that's just going to help maintain your hair in the days you're not washing it. So as you can see, it just smoothed everything out completely. It was looking all dry today, and I haven't done today, so that was that. Alright, so I do that every single day and before I do any heat to my hair. So another thing I use, I've been trying out the past couple months, is the Redken One United spray. People obsess over this, and this is a huge thing. It's a great heat protectant. I use it every time I have to do heavy duty heat on my hair. I can't double up on heat protectants, I'm not gonna lie, because once you like finally repair your hair after so many years, it's really scary to maybe potentially go back to having such damaged hair. So I double up on everything. Like this Bond oil is a heat protectant, and this is a heat protectant. I use both. This also depends. I also have really thick hair, right? So oil does not make my hair look as oily as it does with someone with thinner hair, right? So maybe just use one of these. I haven't used it long enough to really notice a difference in my hair. It's really just meant, I mean, it's an all-in-one treatment, but you know, I like it. It has so many good properties to it. And yeah, so I do recommend you guys try this out if you're not into the whole oil thing and you want to stick to a spray. This is a great option. So this product is new. I started using this in, I think it was December or November. I have officially cut out aerosol dry shampoos. I loved my Batiste dry shampoo. I've been using it since like high school. The thing is with aerosol dry shampoos is like one of the worst things. You can literally inhale into your body. Like it's literally, one spray of like a Batiste is like a pack of cigarettes. That's how bad it is. So I officially gave it up this year. And there's a ton of brands now coming out with non-aerosol dry shampoos. And this is the one, first time I've tried it out. I haven't tried out too many others yet, but it's like actually number 1 on Amazon. And it's the Tap Secret I Do Care dry shampoo. So if you actually look at the ingredients of this stuff, it's literally like 3 ingredients. It's awesome. So it's really organic. You're not having a ton of chemicals on your hair. It's not dangerous to inhale. Haven't run out of this yet. Looks like I'm kind of getting low. I don't know. I don't use it very often. And as you can see, it's a puff. You don't need a lot. You go 1 puff in each section you need it, and that's it. And then you buff it in right away. Usually dry shampoo I let sit and just soak in for a bit. This you want to buff in right away because it does kind of leave a white cast, I will admit, if you don't buff it right away. So a little different than the traditional dry shampoo, but I have been loving this. So alright, this is a new product I've been trying out that's been going viral the past couple months on TikTok. And most people, I have a side part, right? wherever your part is, usually you have a lot more short pieces here that have a hard time growing. They're a little more dry, they break off, they stick up. I call them my little antennas, my alien antennas. But this product supposedly really helps maintain these baby hairs, let them actually grow and not break off as quickly. This is the OUAI Scalp Serum. It's glass and everything, which I'm not a huge fan of, not gonna lie. I don't like glass because I travel a lot. I live in 2 cities, so I'm constantly bringing this back and forth, and it's like if I drop this once, I'm screwed. But anyway, so this smells amazing. It's got a little dropper, like that. And what you do, you just put it through where you need extra, like, so I'm gonna do like right here. You're gonna push the dropper, and then you blend it in. And it's not an oil, so as you'll see, it's not gonna make my hair look oily at all. It's a serum. If you use too much, I do find it'll look oily. But as you can see, it's not making, this is also day 5 or something of my hair, by the way. It doesn't look super oily. It just adds that little bit of hydration. It smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so luxurious. I am trying this out. It's one of those things that, you know, it takes at least 3 months for you to see a difference with this growth. So I'm only about a month and a half in. So far I am loving it, and I do like adding a little extra something to my roots to help that growth. And I think it's worth a try. It's very, very pricey, but I will update you guys in about a month or 2 on this product. Okay, so that's pretty much all the hair products I use on a regular basis. I really do love Olaplex for myself. If you're not into Olaplex or it didn't work for you, that's okay. There's several other brands that are so similar that are competing, but slightly different for different hair types. So that's everything. I hope this helped a lot, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.